Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you very much for watching. God bless you. My returning viewers, I so much appreciate. If today is your first time, I beg make you subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Share, like, and try to leave us comments. May we know what you think, what you get to contribute. So today make I start with this beautiful lady, Rachel, Madam Rachel. She just died early hours of today. May her gentle soul rest in peace. Today na 15th April 2021. This lady na actress, upcoming actress for inside Nigeria, Nollywood. This lady, she just start to and she can't do many wonders. Like any role you give her to act, any role you give her to appear, she dey interpret them as if she then born her as Nollywood as actress. So she dey do well. This na the photo of her beloved son. This son na 13 years old. So and na only the pikin wey she get be this before she died. Actresses and actors, they come outside now, come they cry, say she be great person, she not supposed to die. Why all actresses and actors come they die this time around? Wetin happen? I be this 2020/2021 na their year of death, because today one die, tomorrow one die. The die for Nollywood this time. Really, e really plenty. People come they wonder if God just won't visit them. No, devil won't just visit them, or death na their tongue. Anyway, may the soul of this lady rest in perfect peace. Now the small boy 13 years make she left behind. Now that one they pain people now. Now the good Samaritans, then they say they try to see how they fit take care of the guy, how they fit, many of them won't adopt the pikin. Wanna try, but Nollywood, I don't know why their own love. Now when person don't die, if you see the way they show love, when the person they alive, they know they over the border. Anyway, the lady, they say na television personality. Now she that is apart from say she be actress, she get other businesses make she they do. Now big babe. May her gentle soul rest in peace. So make we enter wetin happen for inside Anambra. Una know say since this wahala day now, Biafrans, IPOB, and this Sunday, Mr. Sunday made a fight for the Oduduwas. Since the matter, I never really chook mouth for inside the matter, because some group of people may we never know where them from comot from. Then go police headquarters, a whole police headquarters, then burn am, destroy cars, released almost 200 prisoners, almost 2,000, sorry, not 200, almost 2,000 prisoners. They released almost 2,000 prisoners. We never even talk that one finish. The IG, police IG come without investigation. They say na Biafrans. Na Biafrans then go there, na then destroy cars, na then burnt police headquarters down, na then released almost 2,000 prisoners without investigations. Because I dey see wetin dey happen for Fulani herdsmen. We know koro say na Fulani herdsmen they be, na Boko Haram they be. They go catch them, they go say they never investigate. Before you know, the same people they go transport them or fly them go abroad for treatment, for healing. They go even pay them monthly. But these people, una no investigate if they are Biafrans. Una just give them names, say they be Biafrans. Now then go release prisoners. Now they go destroy police headquarters. Okay, the one may just happened yesterday now on the 14th of April 2021. Some people again go they shoot, go normally now. You know in fact since this crisis of this Lekki toll gates, problem upon problem dey for Nigeria. So you cannot even say this na the real people made it do. They fit even hire people come from another country to come do this damage. What may happen now for Anambra, they don't brand those ones again, say na Biafrans na do am, because they wave Biafran flag, who go believe or wetin with like Biafrans make people know say dem get people don brand dem bad name, so dem wan go do destruction like that. Dem come dey wave their flags. I no believe am say na Biafran did that damage for Anambra yesterday. Even the one may happen, may dem go free prisoners. I no even still believe am, because Biafrans no go come do damage, come dey wave their flags. Because the matter as e just be now, e be like say fake Biafrans now don come dey exist. 419 Biafrans may wan give Biafrans bad name, because they just dey do this thing make e come be like say, hey, they don start oh, they wan take over the country oh, problem oh, so that they go come carry soldiers anti-Biafrans go there, go dey destroy lives, just because the people say they no want Fulani herdsmen to stay for their land again. Now they don dey find way make dem go take brand them as killers, brand them as enemy of Nigeria, so that they go bundle all of them, or better still, destroy everything made dey there, because the people say they no wan see Fulani herdsmen for their land. Before now, why all this kind of thing no happen? In the first place, wetin cause all these problems? No be these killings, careless killings everywhere for Nigeria. No be the careless killings. Wetin our government talk put for the matter? Before Mr. Sunday Igboho even start this one, make it start. Now because Fulani herdsmen dey kill as they want. Government no do nothing. Our traditional rulers, they no talk put. Our political leaders made dey for the western part and the eastern part of Nigeria, they no still care, because them they collect money from the oga at the top. Now they go even they do like say our lives no matters. They go they give our leaders, the northern leaders, make they rule Nigeria. They go they give them hope, say don't worry, I'll take care of them. They are my slaves. They are killing your people right before your eyes. You cannot do nothing. The Fulani herdsmen people, after they kill finish, our leader go still protect them for our land. Wetin dey happen for inside Nigeria these days, e clear, e make sense to us. Nigeria now don finish. See our president now, he go sick, he go treat himself for obodo oyibo. If na better sickness wo Buhari now, una sure say they go fit fly and reach abroad before they go start treatment. Money make dem go fit take get more than 20 hospitals with qualified better doctor. Make dem go even import sef. If they no want Nigeria doctors, say they no trust them, bring oyibo doctor come, we get the money. The leaders, the countrymen, they go dey treat una sef, our so-called greedy leaders. No be people dey there, no be leaders make the country good. The security, if una go there, una go get security, una go get good life, they go treat una. No be woman being dey rule those countries. America big pass Nigeria ×2. Now one president. Nigeria no too big for president to handle, but we get incompetent leaders. Leaders may no even know where to start. They no get ideas of anything. No ideas. And they no wan comot for that position. They won't remain there. After they die, their children go come start. You cannot do something, go make another person with ideas come there. Now the reason Nigeria won't even be the way it just be, so incompetent people now they for some strategies positions where you no supposed to be. You go there, and you no wan comot there, make somebody make sabi dey there. Why we go forward as a country? See other African countries, they don't move forward. Rwanda, they don't go forward. Over our neighboring country, Cotonou, stable lights. We Nigerians now they go to school for Cotonou. Benin Republic, go there, you see Nigerians there schooling. Ghana, the Ghana must go, make we pursue them, put them for Ghana must go throw away. Now they throw away us back. They pursue us back. Those people don't develop their countries. Their countries don't they well developed. Over obodo oyibo people, they go there, go do business. Our country just F9, nothing to write. From the leaders to the people, the country no just make sense. With the also now they cry say the country be as e get. Oh, Fulani herdsmen come now, carry their own come. They made the people no talk. The people come dey protest since their governors no do anything. Their local government chairman no do anything. Their traditional leaders no do anything. Their pastors no do anything. They come by their hair, by their self, single-handedly, come find how they go take protect themselves. Something mean at the government job. Then the government now come to find how they want take brand those people evil. They'll go pay some group of people from another country to come commit havoc, come brand them as Biafrans. Make una check am now. Biafrans, they know very well say they won't go do evil. They'll come carry their flags, come they wave their flags. Say yes, so now we like who they do that kind of thing. It's just like thief come your house, come thief. You can't write a number, keep. Who go for destruction, can't live in contact, make they take come meet am for where e dey. So all this corner thing, all this, you know, all these manipulations from our leaders, from our government, make them know wetin they do. Make Fulani herdsmen, make them go their land. Who can stay for the northern part of Nigeria in peace? If you are not from there, can you stay there in peace? No. You don't see any north southerners or westerners dey for northern part of Nigeria get land. La lie. All of us dey for rent. They no go even sell for you. If they sell for you, sef, no be your own originally. Then they'll come our own land, come dominate everywhere again. Say wetin happen? Now we even leave them so long on a normal ground. This action may we take. If we don't take am years ago, everywhere for don balance. If we don't know where we dey, nobody can talk. You come somebody land, kill them. The children and the women, you go rape them. The farmers, you go kill them. Like who does that? According to the interview make I watch yesterday, some Amazonians, they vex. Say how I wish the Biafrans go fit over. They no want make them pay them, make them invite them, make them come. Say make them just abduct, make them just like the kind of styles make the Amazonians they do to their enemies. Say the Biafrans just need to they do like that, including the Oduduwas. Say that they see wetin the way that they kill them, the thing they pain them. After the killings, our president go receive treatment. You no care about the people may die. You no even say sorry to them. You no sympathize with them. You no go the location where all those atrocities they happen. Make it go, hey, you know, like tell them sorry. Even if not pretend. The next day, you don't travel go abroad. What did they happen? Nigerians, why we even weak like this? Why we allow all this kind of thing reach this level? Which kind of thing be this? Injustice. No justice for the masses, no justice for nobody. Everything just as if you see that name Zoo country, may Nnamdi Kanu give this country, Nigeria. Now only you see that Zoo country may give Nigeria, eh? As Nigeria dey now, even Zoo they more organized, more better than Nigeria. Zoo na it's like you brand us good name. You give us name may no be our own. Because Zoo don't better pass Nigeria. Come and see our other African countries. See Rwanda, see South Africa. I no wan even call South Africa because that's one a developed country. They don't develop like Obodo Yibo country. We just dey claim giant of Africa for mouth. Leaders no get sense. The people no get sense. Everybody just dey there. They do like Ozuo. Who can the few ones may get sense? If you say you get sense, say you dey try to tell them, say see the way things go be. They go kill you, make you quiet. If you no feel quiet, if they say quiet, no quiet, you go die. Why make the country just be like that? Because senseless people now full everywhere with no ideas. Nothing government do for us. No security, no light, no water, no education, everything F9. And the people too just keep quiet till now. Why we even start to even react at all? We for still remain silent. Nnamdi Kanu now and Sunday Igboho may they say lie. They must stand up for their people. When I know they see the way our fellow leaders see now they nearly kill Nnamdi Kanu before he come up for Nigeria. They see the Sunday Igboho now. You see, in all people now they against him just because of Fulani president. We want to kill our freedom fighters. We want to kill our heroes. People may they fight for us. today now they'll come say Biafrans do this, so this do that. To which Biafran go they do? You won't do evil, go come carry Biafran flag. Yes, no, na see me, I want to go and kill somebody. It's not possible. Just as nobody go steal, can't go there, kill people, can't live in contact, may they take live in number, may they take trace where you did. So no be Biafrans do all those damages. Now just propaganda from our leaders. They find reasons to take brand them evil name and send anti-Biafrans, soldiers. Before they know, they will say na python, vulture. They just find reasons, maybe they go take go Biafran land, kill everybody for there, eliminate everybody for there, just because they no wan allow the northerners to live with them. In the first place, Nigerians no be wahala people. Anybody can live with us. Even foreigners go come live with us in peace. Why we no go allow the Hausa live with us? Are we not? They not belong to us. All of us not be the same Nigerians, despite saying that different languages we they speak. The northerners they live for everywhere. Northerners not even dey their land originally, because wetin dey their land na dry land. They over whatever they plant, they grow for their land. They need to carry and come our side before they go chop. Okay, you can't come another man land, may not there they make your money. You don't want to stay there in peace. You go carry away their children, carry away their mother, kill their farmers for their own land. Because now your president, your Buhari send you to do abi you feel. If you see the way the northerners, Fulani Esme, the way they do now, then they do shakara, they don't even, you cannot even talk to them. Not they go carry cattle, enter anywhere. They don't care. And they watch videos where they talk to them, they go like how I wish all Nigerians go get the same heart, the way Nnamdi Kanu and Sunday Igboho. If we go fit get that kind of heart, may Nnamdi Kanu get and Sunday Igboho get, Nigeria for be a peaceful place. Because you see Nnamdi Kanu and Sunday Igboho, those men, if and Sowore, if we fit get that kind of heart, may these three men get, Nigeria for be a better place. Because Nigeria now don't finish. The Nigeria country is completely finished because of bad leaders. So we need to take our country back from them and do the needful. Anyhow they want them. After all, the country don't cuckoo spoil. Fulani Esme, they'll catch Fulani Esme, they'll carry them, go abroad, go they give them treatment. Then they go come catch Biafra, they go name them terrorists, go put them for jail. What kind of justice be this one? This Buhari regime, make them no rule finish. As they make them date, make them just the roots in God come. Make it just be like say na king. Make them just date it. Make them no come out. We don't even be like say they won't even come out. They just they do anything, do anyhow. That make them call them. What did they call them? Lai Muhammad. Now that one then worst this government. Spoil everything. Nigerians can nothing they work again for the country. Even foreign investors make them get business companies for Nigeria. They don't run, carry their companies, go the nearest African country. Because of Nigeria now, nobody fit stay there in peace. If you carry your business, go there, you are not safe. Nothing is working. Nothing is working for that country. Foreign investors don't pack, carry their businesses, run. After una go talk say Nigerians na giant of Africa, na be our country. Nigeria no be giant of Africa. More we comot that giant. We just be normal African country. We no get nothing as it be. Because countries may no even get wetin we get, all the natural resources. They don't go forward. We will get everything. Still, we dey for one side. Still they beg. Other African countries, they carry food up. Nigeria, make our land good. We get water. That is fertile land, rain, everything. Just God bless us. We will go to import food from country may no get the same the way. Nobody they do it. In fact, make I no even turn this matter to be. More will stop after Nigeria problem. It plenty. The country don't scatter, jaga. Only God now go just make the country good again. God. And we don't they pray. The country still be as it be. So now no be prayer. The country no need prayer now. You no need prayer. Even the kingdom of God say make we take am by force. If we pray, be as e get, you need to take am by force. Na so e just be now. Now by force we go collect this country from these killers, from these people may don snatch the country from us, turn the country to wetin nobody can repair again. Then the few people may wan balance things, wan make the things dey well, una wan still kill them. See the way wetin happen to Sowore Omoyele, im own people, so wetin dem do am. See Nnamdi Kanu, see Sunday Igboho now. Nigerians, it is well sha. Anyway, my people, make una leave una comment below. Tell me wetin you think. God go help all of us Nigerians. We don suffer for the hand of this government. They don't really deal with us, eh? Now God na go just help all of us. Anyway, for the beautiful sister, may she died, may her gentle soul rest in peace. May God help the only son she left behind. And Nollywood, God go just help una, because we no even know wetin dey happen for Nollywood. Die here and there. Young people. The lady, she's just 38 years old. Rachel Beckham, 38 years old now. She just died. Some people say na koro. Some people say na normal sickness, heart attack. Anything can happen anyway. May her gentle soul rest in peace. Thank you guys. One love.